Practical case. Thermal protection of motor using relay difficulty level. Intermediate learning objective. Build a thermal protection system for a 12 volts DC motor that disconnects power when temperatures exceed a critical threshold. The article includes a bill of materials, wiring guide, circuit schematic, measurements and tests, and results interpretation.
Would you like to master electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence without getting lost in infinite theory? At prometeo.blog, you will learn by building and programming. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product presentations to help you decide. And our jewel is the practical cases, very detailed guides that take you from the list of materials to the final validation. You will design and test circuits with resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, or transformers, and undertake projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32, or Jetson. Everything step by step, with exact commands, ready-to-use code, connection tables, and real troubleshooting guides. All our publications can be read in Spanish and English. At the end of the article, there is a self-assessment quiz to evaluate what you've learned. You also have your private tutor, ChatGPT, specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence. If you really want to learn by doing, progressing project by project.